Hey guys, want to do a quick little review of this little digital camera. It's a great starter for kids. If you never used one, if you're only using phones and so on, this is a perfect camera to start with. It's inexpensive. Reminds me of the older models like the Nikons and Canons back in the day. It is 1080p. It does have high resolution if you want to take high quality photos. It's decent zoom on it, anti-shake. It does come in a few different colors. And I'll put a link below on Amazon if you want to check it out. Here's a little specs on the image resolution options as well as the zoom. It's 16x. It does have anti-shake, LED flash, which is a nice little plus with these cheaper cameras. And that's it. That's that. Here's the camera itself. As you see, it does have a nice flash built into it. You can turn it off and on as you need it. The lens does not come out when you zoom in. It's a digital zoom lens. This is the camera itself. Very simple operation, power button, the play or push record button and so on, and a couple options. Charger goes in here. It did come with a manual, a little storage pouch, which probably will never use, right? A charger cable and the power adapter, as well as 2 batteries, which is a plus, and it came with the memory card. It's a micro SD card that goes into the holder. It's 32 gigs, so that's actually decent size. And I'll show you guys how to put it in right now. It's going to be facing outwards. And just snap it in. And same with the battery. You push it in. There you go. I'll just close that back up. So you have different modes. Camera mode, you push this mode button, now it goes to camcorder mode. Push this again and now you can review the pictures you took. You can actually zoom into the pictures if you want, preview it on the screen, and then just go through them. This was, I was testing the zoom, so that's the closest zoom from the same spot. Very decent quality, especially for outdoors. Also, there's a menu here. And then you can delete photos if you want right here. Timer as well. This is where you turn on the flash. Well, you have to be, I think, in photo mode. There you go, we got the flash, pretty bright. Turn that off. Also multi-photo effect. Let me go back to the menu. So you can change the language, the date, power saving. You can turn off actually the beeping noise if you don't like that. Memory formatting, all that, and defaults, reset it. For other features in the menu over here, there's the shooting modes you want to use, resolution, the beauty face effect. Everybody's going to be using that. Quality, balance, and like checking the exposures if you're all techie with that. Sharpness, effects, anti-shake, what else? Smile capture and face detect. So a bunch of options. Very cool. Nothing like to really like figure out. It's definitely great for kids and elderly actually that are not tech savvy maybe. I wouldn't say it about kids anymore. And let me show you guys the zoom. Not bad. Actually goes again. There you go. I took a few pictures which I'll post right after this. But that's basically it, guys. Inexpensive camera. Nice little starter. If you break it or lose it, you won't lose your sleep over it. Thanks for watching.